Hi everybody, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change your Steam account's password using the Steam application on your laptop or your PC. First of all, launch open the Steam application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Steam, go ahead and click on your name drop-down at the top right corner, which says Manage Account as well. In the pop-up, click on Account Details. Right after you open up this Accounts Details page, click on Security and Devices from the left-hand side menu. Now, after opening up this Security and Devices button, scroll down and click on Change Password. On the next page, select how you'd like to change your password. You can choose email option, or if you don't have access to the email address, then you can choose this next option. Now select how you'd like to change your password. Click on email and account verification code option at the top over here, and then enter the verification code that was sent to your email. Open up your email service provider's inbox and you will receive an email from Steam. Enter the code that you received via email and make sure to type it in exactly as it appears inside the inbox and click continue. Soon after you do that, you will see this two text box appearing at the bottom. Go ahead and enter a new password you want to change to. Make sure to type in a strong password that you want to change to, and then enter the password once again in the next field. Finally, click on Change Password at the bottom and you'll be able to change your password for your Steam account. So that's how you easily change your password on your Steam application using your PC or your laptop. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.